What's up guys, it's your favorite all home guides back with another cool video for all of us. Today's video is on the top 5 best electric shavers for head. It may be challenging to identify the most cost-effective products when purchasing various goods. I narrowed down hundreds of products based on a few standards and ranked them in this video to make your decision easier. These are just some of my favorite items that I use on a regular basis. So sit back and relax while I tell you about these amazing pieces of products. Please do check the product link in the description box below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So without any delay, let's get started. At number 5. Remington Self Haircut Kit. The Remington HC4250 is a hair clipper that you would love to use. It is so well designed and equipped with technical features that make it an excellent choice. This model comes in a sleek and ergonomic design that fits perfectly in your hand, letting you move it accordingly and confidently over the head. It has a rubber grip that keeps it in place, giving you control of holding it for a long time. This feature makes it reach every area like behind ears, neckline, back of the head and sideburns to clean properly. It also has a curved edge with a stainless steel blade that cuts any texture of hair. As the blades are an extra wide shape, they cover a large surface area to clean precisely and perfectly without pulling the hair inside. The lithium-ion battery has a runtime of 40 minutes. This feature helps when you are in a hurry and have to reach somewhere on time. It takes 4 hours in getting completely charged so that you can use it easily afterwards and anytime. In addition, it is equipped with an extra 5-minute runtime capacity so that you can complete the job without leaving it in between. It can be used with a cord also. Another feature that we liked is the versatility. It comes with 9 combs, and you can choose the comb according to the length of the hair to get a clean haircut. Another noteworthy feature is that you can detach its parts and blades to wash it under water, and keep it in a clean condition for a long time. All these specifications make it a must-have accessory. At number 4. Philips Norelco Shaver. The Philips Norelco Shaver 3500 provides a smooth and pleasing result and embodies 4 major features. The first is the wet or dry shave. Depending on your choice, you can use this electric shaver both in and out of the shower, and you don't have to worry about reducing its efficiency when it comes in contact with water because it's waterproof. The second is the protective shave. This electric shaver boasts a comfort cut blade system which ensures that your skin doesn't suffer any casualty while you're shaving. Plus, there's no need to apply water or shaving cream before you can get good results. Thirdly, this shaver helps you get a perfect shave of all curves and contours due to its 4 flexing heads. And lastly, maintenance is very easy because the blades are self-sharpening, and the shaver is easy to wash. Philips, as a brand, is long known for its long-lasting and quality products, and this electric shaver 3500 is just another proof. Anyone who seeks a rotary shaver would find this Norelco electric shaver 3500 to be a valuable option to oblige to. More so, if you're interested in procuring a versatile shaver with incredible capacity, this electric shaver will not disappoint you. With 13 varied shaving modes ranging from fast action and sensitive skin mode to one-pass shave and lots more, the Philips Norelco electric shaver is purposely built to give you an all-round satisfaction with a more focused shaving experience. This electric shaver can also come in handy as a birthday present for the men in your life. At number 3. Telfun 5-in-1 Electric Razor for Men. Telfun 5-in-1 Electric Razor for Men is a great shaver for its price. This model is much cheaper than most of the shavers mentioned in our list, but it still does not fall behind its more expensive peers. It features a powerful motor and 5 floating heads and is undoubtedly one of the best shavers in its class. There is a 4D rotary shaver, and it features 5 floating heads which easily move along the contours of the neck, face, and jaw, helping you achieve a neat and close shave. Furthermore, it also features a pop-up trimmer which helps you get an accurate trimming of facial hair and sideburns. The charging of the device is displayed on a LED display. One of the best features of this device is that it has a USB port, because of which it can be charged using any USB charger. You can use even your cell phone charger to recharge this shaver. Hence, this feature makes this shaver very convenient and portable. Also, the device is waterproof, hence it can be cleaned easily under tap water, and it can also be used in a shower for a better shaving experience. For ease of cleaning the device, the head of the shaver pops up and you can easily clean out any stuck hair in the unit. Though this shaver might not be the best option available in the market, it is still a good option, especially if you are on a budget and are searching for an affordable shaver. It carries all the features needed to help you get a comfortable and neat shave. At number 2. Electric razor for men head. This is a good shaver for new users. It has excellent versatility as well. Being a 4-in-1 system, you can shave, trim, shape and even address nose and ear hairs in a snap. It is a 4-in-1 waterproof, wet/dry portable razor from Rosia Pro. You can use the USB fast charger to be ready to shave in just minutes. With its 3-inch handle and 1.4 pounds of weight, it is easy to move around as you cut your hair. It comes with the ability to be used, whether wet or dry. It is water resistant and can be used in the shower without worrying about water damage. The battery output of 5 VDC makes it rather versatile and will run for a relatively long period before it requires recharging. From our testing, we observed that it has an estimated runtime of up to 1 hour. Performance-wise, it is up there with some of the best options on the market. It features a double blade cutting system that delivers as close a shave as possible. The only downside we observed isn't with regards to the performance, rather, it is with regards to price. It is one of the most expensive options on this list. At number 1. Wahl Professional 5-Star. The Wahl Professional 5-Star Balding Clipper is designed to be used by professional barbers for those men who want to keep their head clean shaven to rock that bald look. This 6.25-inch long clipper is easy to handle and does an excellent job of keeping your head looking great. Unlike others on this list that come with attractive, sleek looks, the Wahl comes in a somewhat dated design. If you are buying this shaver, you'll be buying it not for looks but for performance. It comes with incredible blades that make it the clipper of choice for professional barbers. To cut that close to your head, the blade needs to be sharp and cutting as close to your scalp as possible. The balding clipper blades are fine-toothed and made from surgical quality steel, plated with rust-resistant chrome. They have a cutting width of 40 mm and a notional cutting length of 0.4 mm. The blades are set with zero overlap to achieve a near balding finish. Basically, they cut your hair as close as you can get to your scalp without cutting the skin. While using this shaver, you need to be careful. The blades are sharp and will cut you if you don't concentrate. Aside from the blades, it also comes with oscillating armature motor that makes it the clipper of choice by salon industry professionals. With constant use and getting switched on and off, the motor needs to be robust and powerful. Wahl doesn't disappoint with these clippers. They have installed a powerful V5000 oscillating armature motor that is twice the speed of regular pivot motor clippers. It is a corded model with a 2.4 mm cable that ensures the clipper is always at full power. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Please tell us which products you'd like us to review next in the comments section and don't forget to check out the description box for all the buy links of products featured today. Thank you.